Giving it all we got, giving it all we can, giving it all we got.
There you go, guys. We're staying at the Hilton in the financial district, which is right in Chinatown. It started a cloudy day, but it's starting to clear out, so. All right, and here we are at the Dragon's Gate of Chinatown.
7:30.
And our place, we're gonna have dinner closes at 7:30. So after this, we're gonna go. Check this out.
Look at both sides.
There we go.
The boat shop. Oh wow, that's good. Oh my god, look at this one, honey.
Yeah.
The purple.
Look at that gate. Beautiful, huh? Just going right through it. And boom. There we go. We made it to it.
On the right hand.
Do I? Oh yeah. Yeah, chandeliers everywhere. And wow. Very cool. And Ross Alley is the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory. So if you wonder where all the fortune cookies are made, well, not all of them are here, I'm sure. But this is it.
You have arrived.
Oh yeah,
can buy.
this is in the Chanel.
Well, they don't have anything else now.
It's the same, but look over here. Đấy, con em. Batik, chocolate.
Okay. Where?
You see how it smells?
Yeah. Can we get some here? I want to get some. Oh, thank you.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. It smells so good.
Thank you very much.
Oh, wow.
Look at some of these.
It's good. White thingy.
Let's get this one now. Let's take this. Can you hold it? Thank you. Look at that. Very cool.
Oh, this is sesame. I want a sesame one. Can you get looking for a low box for me?
You want like a box with sesame? No, over there. No, only here. Only those. All right, we're good. Oh, thank you very much. How much is it? Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
How you make them? They're so wow.
Oh wow, she did that in there when it's cold. She make it. This is warm one. You see,
Yeah.
she give you a warm one.
Yeah.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
It smells so good.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
She just give me the warm one.
Oh.
Warm.
Mm.
Good. Did they put come out from the?
It's warm.
Yeah, that's free, you know, right? See how much the free they give us? It's free. On top of this one.
There you have it. Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory. There we go. I know that we checked another one off our bucket list.
Let's see what come here.
Four sesame and then four no sesame.
They're awesome. Oh my goodness. And they have chocolate ones too. And oh.
How many do we need?
They give you all the sample and you have to buy it.
So there you go. It's a right off. It's on an alley. All right. This is the alley.
In Thailand because soy.
There's Ross Alley in Chinatown. That's where you can find it. It's hidden, but you see that they make them right there in front of you. They're really awesome.
Oh my god, I got some in this. Really?
Oh man. Good.
I have to finish the open walk everywhere have a she pick up from the bucket to give us for free. The women so happy and give her some. They will give one. Yeah, and she says this Chinese women. Yes.
She speaks Chinese to you. Yeah. I'm sure it was something nice. Right? Wow. Ross Alley. Oh, look at this. There's some history to this. I didn't know we were going to get a history lesson here. Ross Alley is one of Chinatown's busiest alleyways, home of a mix of residences and businesses, reflecting the everyday life and cultural traditions of the neighborhood. Tourists observe fortune cookies until folded by hand. Local residents celebrate occasions with plants and flowers. Oh, let's walk by the alley. Let's walk through the alley. People having fun. Hey guys. YouTube. No, oh, it's not live, but we'll put it on YouTube. Yeah.
This F4 master. Don't break this thing.
Ross Alley.
Oh, this is my snack for the trip.
For the trip?
I already done the whole thing every time. Think we go to that, see?
Yes.
We have lots of go to.
Oh, we're good. I got plenty. Did we buy it now? Show the bag. Show the bag.
Yeah, how about I finish? Honey, we have like 3 weeks to go.
Oh yeah, don't worry. We got plenty. We got plenty. Oh, these guys, they know how to have fun. These guys know how to have fun. There we go. Nini. And there's the hotel.
Well, it's just not far away from hotel. I think I'm gonna come back to buy more.
Yeah, see? And it's not far from our hotel.
I'm gonna come back to buy more tomorrow. You take two or Alexandria. This is we're gonna eat for all this for the trip. I I don't have to worry safe this because when I open, I'm not safe for anybody. I'm not safe.
Look at these buildings. Oh, another bakery. It's almost over. It's almost finished. Oh yeah.
Really?
I told you.
Pink chocolate.
There you go. And that's our hotel. That's the Hilton. Right, almost right. It's on Chinatown. Pretty awesome, huh? Okay. Dry, yeah.
What is that?
Take a right.
Let's see if we come this way, easy to walk in the morning.
So hey, now that we made it to the Dragon's Gate and took you to a cool, really good dim sum place, we're gonna go ahead and grab some dinner. If it's good, we'll show you. If it's not good, we're just gonna skip it and we'll end the video here where we are. Go ahead. Excuse me. So if it's not good, we'll go ahead and end the video here. On Pacific. No, not here. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Tomorrow we are going to be going to Alcatraz and we'll take you with us. See you then.